Welcome to Galaxy Aerospace Ghana. This is the space news. Justina Mensah is my name. The headline: NASA's Lucy asteroid probe to fire main engines in space for first time this week. NASA's asteroid-hopping Lucy mission is finally getting fired up in space for its trip to the never-before-explored Trojan asteroids, which follow Jupiter as it orbits the Sun. The Lucy spacecraft will fire its main engines off Earth for the first time since its launch in August 2021. The firing of Lucy's main engines will see the spacecraft burn through around half of its onboard fuel. This will be followed by a second larger maneuver, which NASA says is currently set for Saturday, February 3rd this year. The aim of these two early 2024 operations is to change Lucy's velocity by around 2,000 miles per hour. Following these maneuvers, the next major milestone for Lucy will be a flyby of Earth in December 2024, at which time the spacecraft will get a second gravity assist from our planet that will hopefully slingshot it onto a new trajectory. The combination of these 2024 maneuvers will shift the spacecraft from its current orbit of the Sun, which just skims the main asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, and allowed it to visit the tiny asteroid Dinky on November 1st, 2023. After this, the spacecraft will fly past another 4 Trojan asteroids and 3 more moonlets, eventually making a final visit to Earth in 2031 before the Lucy mission doors were closed in 2033. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more space news updates. Justina Mensah is my name.